There's something magical pag nasa nature ka. May nakakanood nito, stress na kayo minsan siguro sa buhay ninyo. Financially, relationships, negosyo, trabaho. Take care of your mental health, guys. There's a lot of people who are fighting their silent battles. Kasi yung mga tao ayaw nilang sabihin sa ibang tao, hindi nila alam kung paano nila i-release yung stress. Take good care of yourself. No one will take care of you but yourself. You know what I like about here in Benguet? Look at this place, no? So I'm working here, right? And I'm doing a lot of live selling. Ayan yung setup natin. Ayan yung nature natin. Nakaka-relax. And then, pag nagsawa na ako dyan, nagsawa na rin ako sa loob, I just immediately go out. Look at this. Lalabas lang ako, no? Pag lumabas ako, nasa ilalim kagad ako ng mga pine trees. And then, maglalakad lang ako. Live ako 2 to 3 hours and then nagbe-break ako kasi hindi kaya ng lalamunan kong tuloy-tuloy. And then yung 1 hour or 30 minutes na break ko, ang ginagawa ko, naglalakad ako. I'm just walking, I'm just following my feet, no? Kung saan ako aabutin, and I'm in the middle. I am under the pine trees. If I am worrying about something, bigla siyang nawawala. There's something magical pag nasa nature ka. Anong point nitong video? Baka may makakanood nito, sakal na kayo sa city life. May nakakanood nito, stress na kayo minsan siguro sa buhay ninyo. Financially, relationships, negosyo, trabaho, try to get out of your daily routine and then, just embrace nature like this. At this, no? Ako lang mag-isa. Maglalakad lang ako ng mga 30 minutes and then after 30 minutes, 40 minutes, babalik ako doon. And then magla-live ako ulit or kung may mga kliyente akong kakausapin, mga business establishments. And para ako na-refresh. I've been living in Metro Manila for, couple of decades na rin. But, I find, siguro ito yung mas ko, since lumaki ako sa Cordillera. Parang this is the place that I find home and, dito yung peace of mind ko. Wala lang. Naglalakad lang ako, guys. Naglalakad lang ako and then I turn my back. Balik na. Balik na. And then balik sa realidad. Live selling na kagad. Pero nag-recharge ako ng mabilisan. No. Ikaw, kailan ka huli nag-recharge? Take care of your mental health, guys. There's a lot of people who are, fighting their silent battles na sila lang. Take care of yourself. Uso ngayon ng mental breakdown. Kasi yung mga tao ayaw nilang sabihin sa ibang tao, hindi nila alam kung paano nila i-release yung stress. Take good care of yourself. No one will take care of you but yourself. God bless everyone. Look at this once again before we end this video.